Well, so today my washing machine came from Amazon, and I'm pretty juiced. This is my king size comforter. Yes. Watch it. It's spinning. So this is a rinse cycle. I've already washed the blanket twice just to make sure. But I am so juiced because I've moved to a small town, Mayberry, and I'm used to living in the big city in San Francisco, and there's not a lot of trees or whatever. There's a lot of pollen here where I moved. I call it Mayberry. Anyway, so I caught a lot of allergies. So I have to wash my blankets constantly. And with COVID, and I have lung disease now too, I don't trust going in and out. And gross, that water looks dirty. Oh, is that that water looks dirty. Anyway, but this is really, really great. I'm really juiced.